We'll be talking about Nifty futures and understanding its characteristics in this video. Now, within the Indian derivatives world, the Nifty holds a very special place. The Nifty futures is the most widely traded futures instrument, making it most liquid contract in the Indian derivative market. In fact, it is one of the top 10 index futures contract traded in the world. So it makes sense for us to understand Nifty futures thoroughly. In Nifty futures, the underlying is the index itself. So Nifty futures derive its value from the Nifty index. This means that if the value of Nifty index goes up, the value of Nifty futures also go up and vice versa. Now, like any other futures contract, Nifty futures is also available in three variants: the current month, mid-month and the far month contract. Further, if we see, the lot size of Nifty is of 25 shares. And we know the Nifty index is a basket of 50 stocks. So these stocks are selected to represent a wide section of the Indian economy and its various sectors. So Nifty is a good representative of the broader economic activity in India. The question is, why is trading Nifty futures considered as a better choice as compared to trading in single stock futures? There are many reasons for it. First is diversification. At times, taking a directional call on a single stock can be a tough task. This is mainly from the risk perspective. For example, let us say that I decide to buy Infosys with the hope that the quarterly results would be good and the results don't impress the markets. Then obviously the stock would take a knock and so would my profit and loss. So Nifty futures on the other hand has a diversified portfolio of 50 stocks. As it is a portfolio of stocks, the movement of the index does not really depend on a single one stock. Secondly, the movement in Nifty is a response to the collective movement in the top 50 companies in India. Hence, there is virtually no scope of manipulation or to manipulate the Nifty index. Next, Nifty is very highly liquid contract and one can literally transact any quantity of Nifty without worrying about losing money on the impact cost. Another advantage to trade Nifty futures is that it requires less margin, much less margin as compared to an individual stock futures. Nifty's margin requirement varies normally between 12 to 15%, whereas individual stock margins can go as high as 45 to 60% of the contract value. So trading the Nifty futures requires one to take a broad-based economic call rather than the company-specific directional call. And from my experience, I can say that doing the former is much easier than doing the latter. Another lucrative reason to trade Nifty is usage of technical analysis. Technical analysis works best on liquid instruments. Liquid stocks are hard to manipulate and hence they usually move based on the demand and supply dynamics of the market. Also not to miss, Nifty futures are less volatile compared to individual stock futures. It has an annualized volatility of around 16 to 17% only, whereas individual stocks like say Infosys has an annualized volatility of 30% or higher. Now, so if you are considering to start trading in derivative segment, the first instrument you should target is to trade on an index future like Nifty. Thank you.